The absolute value of 5 is 5. But at the same time, the absolute value of minus 5 is also equals to 5. So what is happening here? How can we define absolute values? The best way to look at absolute values is the number of units from 0. 5 is 5 units from 0. And then minus 5, on the other hand, is 5 units from 0 as well. The best way to look at absolute values is the distance or the number of units from 0. So that is absolute values. But usually we talk about absolute values and inequalities. So let me show you something. How would we interpret the absolute value of x being less than 4? Remember, the absolute value of a number is how many units it is from 0. So if we say that the absolute value of x is less than 4, we are saying that x is not more than 4 units on either side of 0. So let me write that down. We have 0 here. Obviously, if 4 is here, we're going to have minus 4 somewhere there. So what we're proposing is that x lies somewhere here between 0 and 4, or between 0 and minus 4. So the absolute value of x being less than 4 actually implies that x lies between 4 and minus 4. We can also look at a case where the absolute value of x is greater than 4. So what would that imply? I just want you to take a moment and think about it. Yes, you're right. It implies that x is greater than 4, or x is less than minus 4. That is the basics when it comes to absolute values and inequalities. Let's carry on another video.